So when I first got into working with tools, one of the first things that I needed to buy was gloves, because everybody tells you part of your personal protection stuff is going to be making sure you're wearing gloves. I know it saved some people's fingers, things like that, and so it's kind of a big deal. The first pair of gloves that I ever bought was a pair of these Firm Grip general purpose gloves. Now recently, Firm Grip sent me a pair to review of their newly upgraded general purpose gloves, which are fairly nice. Like, there's a definite step up from where they were. I want to say thank you to Firm Grip for providing these gloves for me to review so that I can kind of go over them with you. Just show you kind of the features that I've noticed and give you my thoughts on it. So, the original general purpose gloves, they actually had 3 touchscreen fingers on there. The new style of them, however, only has 2 touchscreen fingers. It's not a big deal. The middle finger wasn't one that I found myself using a whole lot, but it is definitely a difference on there. The other major difference that you're going to notice right off the bat there is the palm padding. There is a lot more padding on the palm on the new style than there was on the old style, so that's a nice feature. Now, I did 2 tests. One of them is the grip test, where I'd pick up something small with it. I did find that the new gloves actually work a whole lot better for picking up individual items. They feel like they fit a little bit better. The other test that I ran is the touchscreen test. Now, my big gripe with the original gloves is I could never get the touchscreen to work. Like, it just did not want to work, and it would get frustrating, and that would usually result in me taking my gloves off. Now, I'm happy to report with the new style of gloves, it works a lot better, and I've used these just about as much as I've used the other ones, and I can still work them, so it's a clear winner in my book. You guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time. If you don't already subscribe, definitely hit the subscribe button. It will notify you anytime we've got anything new coming out, and yeah, you have a great day. Thanks so much, and take care.